Hello everyone, myself Sri Amit Shankar. I am from Patna. It gives me immense pleasure to present CMA Pro, an AI-powered tool, CMA data generator that has been developed by me as a part of the AI Level 2 learning uh, initiative by the ICAI. Let me share my screen first to command prompt. I'll show my IP address first. This is my IP address, which I'll be using for uploading the my project files. Closing it. So this is the script that has been generated by Claude platform based on the prompts given by me. I'll be using it to run. Let's run it. So before we run it, let me also show you the format of the balance sheet that has been used for this. It is the format of non-corporate balance sheet. The same balance sheet we use in normally, and the format of corporate entity actual balance sheet. Two 2025. It is the same format that we usually use. So without any delay, let's run the program first. So it's to run module. We can see how it appears. It appears like this. Further, I have converted it into the exe file. Let me do one more thing. So that it could be used always in Python. Let me close it. So the executable file is in this folder, the AST folder. It has been converted from Python to executable file through command prompt. Now we'll check it. We'll upload the first non-corporate entity actual balance sheet. Based upon it will calculate. So you'll see it is a non-corporate entity balance sheet. It identifies itself. So I'm giving some random figures. 1 crore 30 lakhs, 11% ROI, 7 years of tenure, CC limit is 50 lakhs, 10% ROI. Margin by borrower in CC and TL is both 25%. We'll take 20% GP margin, tax rate 25% is okay. 15% is depreciation rate. I'll output domination denomination will be in lakhs. The CMA data and the projected balance sheet will be in lakhs. We'll project the balance sheet is 269, 2 crore 69 lakhs. Losing a stock as 67 lakhs. Employee 8. Other expenses, it's okay. 1 lakh 54,000. Repairs 50,000. Selling and administrative 5 lakh 65,000. And so all random figures are taken. Finance cost is 1 lakh 60,000. Cash on a bit higher side. So let's now we'll have to put how sales growth will be in the projected financials. I am taking it as 12% in the next financials and 7% of the expense growth. Now let's analyze. We click on analyze button. Let's analyze. You see, you see the analysis, what analysis says in the first year of, that is actual balance sheet. Based on that actual balance sheet, what is short, the promoter's contribution may be short. So DSCR in year 26, it is 1.36 below 1.5. So it is in knowledge. If it falls below 1.25, it will be in red. So let's do that. GP ratio 18%. Now let's analyze. It is in orange and it is in red. So all fields, whatever key indicator alerts are there, it reflects there. So will now 23% will be there. So only 1 year, gross fixed assets short by 22,795. You see, it projects that the gross profit, gross fixed assets is not correct. Short. Now all key indicators alerts are now in green. So we can export this based on the data given. We can export our CMA data and projected financials. I'm opening the file. So you see, it is the projected financial statement for all the 7 years. It is the operating statement, summary of operating statement. It is the balance sheet. So you'll see a yellow highlighted field that has been taken as the balancing figure of asset side and the liability side, which has been considered as investment in that, so that to so as to balance sheet figures remain constant. You'll see the CMA data from form 1 to form 2 operating statement to form 6, that is fund flow statement. You'll see it is a computation of interest and loans, and it is a summary of ratio analysis that has been done by the program itself. Similarly, we can import the corporate entity balance sheet. Sample corporate entity balance sheet is being imported. Now you see it, the data has changed. So it is a corporate entity balance sheet as identified in programs. Will let all the figures be remain the same, so that nothing is. So let's analyze. So average DCR is 231. So it's bit on higher side, and let's we can also change the amount. It's 13 crore. It is suppose 50 crores on the same ground. And closing stock, let's check the closing stocks. Now let's change the entire figures. Now everything remain, let's remain it the same, be the same, so that we can identify where the problem is in the program. The DSCR in the first 3 years is below. So based on that, actual other expenses cost has been taken on bit higher side. Now the average DSCR is 12. So it's okay. It's okay. And we'll check the output in the crores. Have exported the format. So you can see how it has projected the financial statement for 7 years. And it has prepared CMA data, computed the loan and interest, and a summary of ratio analysis based on the inputs provided. So key indicators and wherever the promoter's margin is short has a shortfall, it will show it has a shortfall, but it has a shortfall in the actual year. It is based on the prompt that has been given. Let's close it. We'll show you how the prompt was given to Claude and how improvements were done in many stages. This project reflects a practical attempt to bridge the gap between the traditional financial practice and emerging AI-driven automation. So, in the current scenario and banking and credit ecosystem, preparation of CMA data becomes a critical part so that uh, the time to make this CMA data and projected financial statements are lesser, and especially they are not manual and remain error free. So I have developed it on Python. uh, it was aimed at the program reads audited financial statement of both corporate and non-corporate entities, generates multi-year projections. Mm, it can check if the margins are correct, if the key financial indicators are correct. So that was all from my part. I rest my presentation here. Uh, but I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for providing this opportunity to explore and apply financial intelligence in the professional practice. This initiative has enabled me to rethink traditional workflows and adopt a more technology driven approach. Thank you. And I would also extend my thanks to my professional environment that was extended to us in during the course, and it was tremendous. And the practical exposure that was given to us was very excellent, so as to identify the real challenges and shaping this solution into a meaningful and implementable tools to be developed by us. Thank you, ICI. Thank you, thanks a lot.